Hi guys, Sithic6 here, and this is my daily Rubik's Cube solve. So my eyes are closed, I'm randomly turning a cube. I don't want to know what my scramble is. I want it to be completely random. I feel like that's the best way to get my base time, is solving a cube without knowing the scramble, and having it be the first solve of the day. So I'm going to open my eyes in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the scramble that I got. I'll be fast forwarding my inspection if it takes too long. And let's begin. 2, 1. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye.